Hello kids! Welcome to our online reading tutorial for children, day 17. This is letter N, capital or big letter N. A small letter N. N says N. N. Say it again kids. Good job. N. N. N is for nurse, nest, nose, nuts. This is capital or big letter Q. A small letter Q. Q says Q. Q. Say it again kids. Good job. Q. Q. Q is for quail. Question. Queen. Quilt. Qu. N. Qu. N. Qu. Say it again kids. Good job! Let's read the pictures with the beginning sound of N and Ku. Ku. N. Ku. N. Ku. N. N. Ku. Now it's your turn. Good job! Let's read the words. At, net, net, ought, not, not, on, none, none. Now it's your turn to read, kids. Good job, kids!